tutorial video for my crypto consult. How do I create a voucher from my bonuses in my crypto consult, and how do I redeem the voucher? So now we are here in a position in an account of a friend of mine. She is already about 1 month in the business. So she created here some volume on the left side. Of course, also, if this is the power leg, she sponsored people on the left side and now also on the right side. And she's creating here the right leg so she can earn the money from the binary structure. But this is not now our subject. We are talking about the voucher. I only want to show you that she has done something to create volume, to create income. So if we are going to my commissions, we can see all these coins what we have in our back office. So she got the commission in GlamJets, but the GlamJets we cannot use yet. So she got the bonus also in Gizmos. This coin is the same value as US dollar. Means if we see here 96.16 Gizmos, it's the same value in US dollar. Then we see here the Bitcoin. I think this amount of Bitcoin is about 225 US dollars. So we can do 2 packages from this amount, but we need only one. We are going now to create a voucher. Look, we are going here, my voucher, and then we see the currencies where we can take the money for creating a voucher. And so we are doing now a voucher here with the Bitcoin. And then we are redeeming this voucher in the new position of a lady, and this we will do later. So now we are creating the voucher. I press here, and then we see the amount. As I said, this is about 220. I only want to show you if I put here 220. Okay, yes, the system says yes. Okay, I can create a voucher. 225. This is too much. Do you see? This is too much. So you have to know every time when you are putting here the sum in it, then the system is calculating automatically if it's possible or not possible. So in our case, we need 100 US dollar. So the system says everything is right. I go to confirm new voucher, and then I see, please confirm that you would like to create the following voucher, 100 US dollar. This is the amount of Bitcoin. Okay, then I do the confirmation. So we wait, and now we see the voucher. I do not have to copy this. And I tell you why. I go to, okay? I tell you why. Because here we see the vouchers. I go to my voucher and we see the vouchers. So we see this voucher is already done. And this is the second one. And I will write the name of the lady who is taking this voucher. I put the name in it. This is Verena. Okay. And I go to update the page. Means that also later we can see here the name, so we know who took this voucher. So we have the voucher code here, and we have the voucher pin. So what we are doing now is we are changing the back office. I have a second browser open. This is the Opera browser, you know. I have the second browser open because I cannot go into 2 back offices with only one browser. I have to have a second browser. So now we are in this really fresh position of Verena, and we have to start the GlamJet here because it's not there now. You see the network promotion, and down below here you see nothing. So there we will see later GlamJet, and I press the button here. And then, yes, I have to confirm also here. And now the whole page is changing. So, do you see? Everything changed. So if I go back to the promotion overview, we are there where we were before, but now we see the binary structure, we see 00 volume, It's all fresh and new. So what we want to do is we want to put the voucher in to the system. We will buy a package. We go to GlamJet. And Verena is a young lady. She said, oh no, I do not have so much money, but I want to be in this project. Please let me be in with $100. And so we are buying this $100 package now. Look, if you want to buy the 1,000 euro, the $1,000 package, you put the sign here, okay? And then you see here 1,100. But if you want to take away the $100 package, also the 1,000 will go away, because it's not possible. You cannot buy only the 1,000. You have always to buy the $100 package, and together you can pay also the 1,000, okay? So, but in this case, we take only 100. So I have only here the sign. We see $100 in Bitcoin. This is this amount. And I go now here to create the order. So if I pay in with Bitcoins, this web page will wait 3 hours for the incoming Bitcoins, okay? So it's very simple. If you have a Bitcoin wallet, you do the same procedure as we have done now, and then you copy your wallet address and you copy your amount of Bitcoins, and you paste it in your wallet, and you send this amount or also more. You can also send 0.8, 0.9, 0.2. You can send also more, but not less, okay? On this address. And then you have your GlamJets, everything in. But now in our case, we are using the voucher. Do you see here this sign? So we have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin. We have Ethereum, and here we have the voucher. Okay. So I have done the order. Yes, we see the order here. So I go now here to voucher, and now I can put in my voucher. Okay. So I go back to the other browser, and I copy now the voucher code here. I press this button and I copy the voucher code. I don't do this. I don't do this. So and copy. No. I don't do this. I press this button here, and then I copy this voucher code. So I go back to our order. I put it inside. Then I go back. I take the voucher pin. Also use this button. I go back. I put it in. So, and now we see something. This is a this is an error on the page. This is something is wrong, but they will fix it in the next days. You know, I cannot use the voucher. Why not? Because it's not active. You know, I have to take away something from here. The last I take away the last W, and I put it back with my hand, W, and now look, now the voucher, now this button is active, okay? So this is something wrong on the page, and we will fix it in the next weeks or days, I don't know. So now I can take the voucher, I can redeem the voucher. So your purchase, a voucher purchase successfully. Means everything is okay. So now in this moment, the package is paid, but we do not see yet our available balance of GlamJet. So we go back to the promotion overview. In the promotion overview, we see the $100 volume here, okay? Means, yes, the package is paid. We see also that the system put this $100 as points in the left leg. Why in the left leg? Because the right leg is the leg with a spillover. Means if you are creating your new position and you pay in, then you see your volume on the, in this case, on the left side. And so you know this is your weak leg. There you have to create your income. And the right one is this leg where the spillover is coming. Okay. So Yes, I think everything is done. So we go back to the GlamJet, and then we go to the My Contribution. Do you see this? My Contribution. So you go to the contribution, you see the GlamJets in the available balance, and then you send them into the contribution that the company, not the company, the project, okay, that the organization, the project can take the GlamJets to create the ICO, okay? So learn more. Then we see here 17 months because we are in the second month. In the second month, the price of one GlamJet is $2, and we have 70 months to go to the ICO. So I go down here, start, and I take, we see the number here, it's the same, okay? Calculate, and then we see all these numbers, and we go to confirm it, and I agree. And now those GlamJets are in the contribution, means that the output of this GlamJet account is already done. So in the next couple of days, this person, Verena, will have always more GlamJets here in the available balance, and always when 5,000 are together, she can send them into the contribution. We see it here, but now we cannot send something in because it's a 0 here. Okay, that's all. So this is the video to show you how to redeem your gift code. And please excuse my English. It's not the best. I know my native language is German. So I wish you the best. Good luck and much success. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, and we see us in the next video.